Yo, what's up everybody? How you doing? Today I have the Buds Plus from Samsung. And now you might ask, why did you buy this? Or why did you get this earbuds? No, for simple facts, it's for wireless charging. And if you're following the channel, I actually did unboxing of the Energizer wireless charging power bank, and I'm about to put it into work. This is 10,000 milliamp battery. I'm going to try to do wireless charging while using the power bank. That will be very, very portable way, the best portable possible way for you without any cables, anything else. So that's why I'm getting it. Also, there's a lot of things. Now, before I had this Buds, the previous version on my channel, and it was nice, but a lot of improvement here, especially in the mic. And this is, we're gonna be testing the mic. We're gonna be testing the frequency of the sound. We're gonna test the bass, if it's actually overcoming the mids and lows. So we're gonna try, or the highs, excuse me. So we're gonna see a lot of things. Now, what else here? Let's take a quick look at this package, and it says 11 hours of playtime. That's a lot for earbuds. Also, we have two-way speakers, rich sound. Now we know it's a two-way speakers, but maybe because of it's a rich sound. Triple mic and for clear voice call. This is nice. I heard a lot of good things about the call quality. This is really nice. And we have of course, the wireless charging compatibility. As you can see, the same logo here, and that's a good thing. So let's start open up the box and see what we have inside. The last time I did of the Samsung earbuds was a giveaway, so I probably, maybe, and I'm not sure, maybe I'll just make this a giveaway. Depends. So what we have here, we have the case. That's the case. It's glossy. Before it was matte. So we have a glossy case. Oops, I broke the papers. Doesn't matter. USB-C, as well as QI wireless charging. And there they are. Now, one of the criticism I actually did in the last design, that the earbuds actually gets deep in the ear canal. And that's actually one of the disadvantages, that it's actually with time, it's going to be annoying to your ears. So what we have here as well, I think we have cables. What is this? No, it's the, okay. Oh, we do have, oh yeah, that's the USB-C. So we have the USB-C cable, and we have some rubbers, like earbuds. So we don't have here. And it does have this already installed here, so it's already installed, so it might fit you or not, depends on, but I believe it's a little bit different than the previous one when it comes to design. I don't know, I have to try it out. So you have a couple of alternatives here if your ear is different of some sorts. But that's about it. That's what we have in the box. So what we're gonna do now, we are going to try to charge it through the Energizer wireless power bank. And let's see. I have to power it first. And yep, it does charge. How do I know? Well, there's a light over here that indicate the charging. So let me just show you, because you cannot see it right now. Let me try to, if I put it here, you see that charging lamp? So yeah, it does charge. If you remove it, it doesn't charge. So that's if it's actually charging. You know it's charging. So you just keep it there, and it's charging. That's good news. Turn this off. So that's a good investment, guys. The Energizer's power bank is very cheap, so go get it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.